back to your favorite YouTube channel, KeegFam. This is day 2 of our spring break, where we go on an adventure to Hoover Dam. But first, we need some breakfast. While we were in Denny's, we decided to name the car we rented for the week. We asked Gemini for some inspiration for the names.
Welcome to the world's famous Ford albino rhino. We'll be right back. And here we got a driver's seat, passenger seat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. More passenger seats in the back for the kids and a whole bunch of stores for SoCal. Now that's the albino rhino and
Look, it's even got a horn.
Oh, get in the car.
And thank you for giving me a tour.
Reference point, we stand second from the top here, the Inner Nevada Diversion Tunnel. Hoover Dam was built between 1931 to 36. Stand 70 feet high, 30 feet is visible ahead. Come on down to my left to Eric there where the gate is waving.
Alright, so right around the corner from us is the original elevator from the 1930s, but it's a little bit smaller than the ones you used to take to the power plant. We can't fit you on this one elevator, so that's why I have to make 2 trips. So family and friends, please stay with the people you get to the elevator with. If you need a break from your family and friends, let me know.
Don't drop your phone.
Put your phone in the line of people that I
Imagine having to hunch over.
Tono proiektu informazioa.
The dam. So when you're walking through this tunnel, you'll find all sorts of markings on the water.
They mark the yellow.
It's not a crack. It's what's known as an expansion joint. When they got done with the wood forms, they took the wood forms out, but left the imprint of the wood forms. So yeah, it looks like wood, but it's concrete, but it's the imprint of the wood forms that they used. So right here in the corner, we have an earthquake sensor. Yes, we do get earthquakes here at the dam. The dam was built to withstand 8.5 earthquake. So a pretty large earthquake. On the top of the earthquake sensor, you can see a sign that says caution. Do not touch or kick earthquake sensor. Yes, as you pass, please not kick the dam box. And now I'm going to show you what's known as the stairway to heaven. That's our emergency escape route.
That vent right there. You can see the. Oh, that was a good one. Holy crap.
Oh, big toe. We're gonna throw it far.
That's very ominous.
Remember how many things were invented?
Oh, dang.
Very disappointing. Well, what if I threw it down the pipe?
That's the end of this video. Our next video will be about Grand Canyon National Park and the desert we drove through to get there. Goodbye.